What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna make a video of the Dr. Dreadful Aliens Alien Autopsy. My nephew got this one for Christmas, and I was at their house and I seen them playing with it, and I went over there and helped them see how it works and everything, and I got to see firsthand what these Dr. Dreadful things were, and that's what got me started buying them. And of course I went out and got the Alien Autopsy myself. So as you see, I already got it put together.
Better them than me.
And of course, once again, there's Homer. I already got batteries in this one. This one does take batteries. And I'm gonna go get water and everything set up, and let's do some alien autopsy experiments. Yay! Okay, set this out aside for a second. I need 5 scoopfuls of lung bug mix, and I think 5 scoopfuls of water. Yeah, 5 and 5. And then you're going to pour some in the alien's eyes and inject some in his chest cavity. So you go ahead and get this mixed. Okay, now you're supposed to use warm water. So I got, hot tap water. I'm just going to stir this up. Now what you're going to want to do is pour some in the eyes. So I'm going to just go ahead, get this mixed. This one's actually, the smell of it smells pretty good. As you can see, it's a black liquid. Just got to make sure it's stirred up really good. Now this is going to be like a gummy, thing. So that's why you're using warm water. And it suggests that you refrigerate it for 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead, pour some in the eyes. Okay. Make sure this is stirred up. Nope. Got some on my shirt. Hope it don't stain. Take the syringe. Fill the syringe up. Open this. And inject into the lungs. Voila. And then squirting out a little bit. Take those out and refrigerate them. Okay. I already filled this thing right here full of liquid. I got the syringe full of the intestine stuff. I guess you just stick it there and plunge it in. And then, after you plunge it in, open lungs, pull out intestines, eat and enjoy. So, see what alien intestines look like. Ooh. Let's go ahead and try some. See what it tastes like. It smells good. Tastes alright. Now these molds, I had a little trouble pulling them apart, so they didn't come out all in one piece, but go ahead, give it a try. Tastes alright. So even this one came out in like 2 pieces because it broke. But yeah, lung bugs. I'll go ahead and leave the eyes in because those look cool. And then next, there's one last experiment we gotta do. So I'll be back once I'm ready. Okay, let's see how this works. See, the liquid from there is pouring into there. Then you turn it on. Go ahead and give it a try. Tastes weird. And that's pretty much what it does. And just try to scoop it out. Now it tells you can refrigerate that and then eat it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to take that out and refrigerate it just to eat it. So, thanks for watching my video. Yeah. This has been a look at the Dr. Dreadful Alien Autopsy. It's pretty cool. And before we go, let's see if we can get one of these eyes out. Or alien eye. See you guys next time.